What's going on, everybody? This is Jake Jones here at MarineMax Texas MasterCraft here in beautiful Fort Worth, Texas. Today we're going to walk through a 2023 MasterCraft XT24. This is one of my favorite boats from the XT line, so let's climb inside and check out some of the features. Before we climb inside, I want to point out something that I really love for the 2023 model year, and it's going to be the new swim step. Integrated into the surf platform, super easy to get in and out of the boat. Also a great spot to sit while you guys are just hanging out. And you do have cup holders built into the fiberglass as well. So it's a great spot for you guys to be out in the water. So here in the cockpit, let's point out a couple things. We do have the all cool feel upholstery in this boat. Super nice feature to have here in the Texas heat. Another great thing that came out in 2022, there's gonna be these phone holders underneath here above the cup holders. Super nice place to put your phone, keep them stowed away out of the sun so they're not overheating. Another awesome thing is the always standard clamping board racks here with any MasterCraft you get. No more bungees, easy to use, easy to stow your boards away. Then as we walk forward, you'll see we do have the sea deck to match the gray throughout the boat. And one of the things about the XT24 that makes it one of my favorites is these pop-up seat backs. Gives you great spots to sit on either side. Rear facing one, so you don't have to deploy the middle one, which sometimes kind of clogs up the cockpit if you have a lot of people on the boat. But those right there make this boat a great boat for surfing, anything going on behind the boat. You guys have comfortable seats to watch. So here at the dash, you'll see that we do have the dual screen option on this XT24. I think one of my favorite things on the dual screen setup is having this awareness cam. As a captain, you can face forward, be paying attention while you're driving, but still have some eyes on the rider behind you. Another great feature with the dual screen setup is going to be your surf star. This 1 to 7 drag scale is going to be from your steepest wave to your most mellow, so it's super easy to set up once you guys get out to wherever you're surfing at. You just click what number you want, sets your tabs, sets your ballast, sets your cruise, all of that. So it's really just 2 buttons you're pressing and you guys are ready to surf. So last thing I want to highlight is here on the bow of the boat. This is a pickle forked boat, so you do get a little extra beam up here for some more room. You do have storage underneath all of these as well as your always dedicated midline anchor storage. You have cup holders and chargers up here as well, so it's really a great spot for you guys to hang out. Thank you guys for checking out this XT24 with me today. If you guys have any more questions, hop on MarineMax.com. You can check out all of our other MasterCraft inventory. We have just about everything in the lineup here at Texas MasterCraft, so I'm sure we can get you guys into the right boat. If you guys have any questions outside of that, contact me, Jake Jones, at 682-282-9969.